Caunce O'Hara do things differently because we understand our customers. We don't treat customers like they are just a number, like they are just another one to get on the books and then send an invoice to 12 months later. When it comes to our clients, we take real pride and we are obsessed with making sure that the cover that they have is accurate for their business. It's going to do what it needs to when times are really, really tough, or when something happens which is potentially catastrophic for that business. It's just as important with the small claims as well, by the way, as the large claims. But in order to do that, we have to understand the customer. We have to understand the business. We have to understand what challenges they face in the insurance market, and how best we can represent them and sell them to an insurance panel. And it's such an appreciated part of and an misunderstood part of what a broker's job is. We don't have a load of insurance companies who are desperate every day to write business at any cost. It just doesn't work like that. A lot of the time now, particularly in ages of transactional processing, automation, and in the ever evolvement of AI, we've had to learn to manage insurers as well as managing clients. We have to get insurers on board with breaking these linear ways of approaching how to underwrite certain types of business. If it's this type of business, it's going to have these problems always. And so it needs to carry this sort of premium level, and it can't have cover for that, or it has to have an excess level of this. Not all clients are the same. Not all business types are the same. And it's our job to really get under the surface and unpick what we can really, really shout about for our customers. And that just doesn't have an impact when you first come and start working with us in terms of cover increases or premium savings. It's about how we can achieve that in the mid to long term for customers, so that it's not a quick win. It's a sustained position over a prolonged period of time, which lets our customers have confidence in the insurance program, budget for the future, and not have to face these types of issues, which many do, which all of a sudden one year something just catastrophically changes in terms of pricing or cover, and they're left wondering, what on earth do we do now going forward? That's how we do things. That's how we're different.